We're actually going to be moving this chicken coop. Have you done many of these projects, Elon? Are you here for labor? On one side of the footer and one side of the footer?
Yes.
Really? So we can't just leave the dirt on that side? $201, Elon. My ground right here slopes down quite a bit, but since I want this to be a little bit above ground. What's up, you guys? Andre here with Jack of All Trades. As some of you guys know that have been watching the channel for a while know that me and my wife got some new chickens, and this chicken coop right here, not gonna do it for much longer for us. Elon's on his way. We're actually gonna be moving this chicken coop from here. All of these IBC totes. He's coming with his tractor, and we're gonna try to dig a 16x8 slab right here. Well, not really a slab. We're going to be digging footers because I want to make sure we still have dirt under, but I want to put it on footers because all this wood, if I leave it on the dirt, it's going to start rotting and falling apart. This actually completely fell apart. I ended up adding 2x4 boards because this soil right here just completely makes it decompose. 5 eggs in here for today. Whenever it rains, their eggs get so filthy, but whenever it's nice and dry out, they're perfectly clean as long as you keep the coop clean. This area right here has the best soil on my property because I put a ton of mulch over here. I've moved this chicken coop all over the place, so the manure definitely helps with that as well. There was nothing over here, and look at all of this grass just coming from nowhere. Now that I got the backyard bush hog, the chickens are roaming around everywhere. It's pretty neat how now after I added these boards, I can straight up lift up this chicken coop with these pallet forks and move it around for the chickens. Elon showed up. I'm just gonna go and tell him that he can actually drive down my gravel driveway. That's why I didn't block it right now, so he can just make a circle with the tractor and have easy access out too. Unload it on the road, you can just do it on the grass. GMC Denali pulling in. HD. Put it in 4x4. You're gonna start spinning out. Thanks for coming by, brother.
Yeah, man.
You got some new teeth on this bucket, huh?
So those, I've had those for a while. Those are the everything attachment too. So everything attachments make some really good teeth. And that's nice and sharp.
Yeah.
So,
got the rhino straps.
yeah.
Holds it down pretty good.
Really good, yeah.
Look how low it is. You don't even need ramps. You could just drive it.
Yeah. Press it more.
Oh, okay, there you go.
When they are brand new, they self-retract when you press and hold these.
Yeah.
But once they get exposed to the weather,
They start messing up.
That's the disadvantage of it.
So, should be a good enough space. Using the backhoe today.
Let me get the measuring tape.
You want some Coca-Cola?
I'm good right now. I brought some.
Nice. It's always good to carry cold ice water. Milwaukee brand? How much was this?
Oh, I bought it. I got it.
You got it for free from Dish?
Yeah.
So Dish buys you tools for free whenever you need some?
I just redeem the stuff that I need. Like I said, points. You sell product. And then you can, once you sell products, you use those points and you redeem them.
So the more you upcharge customers, the more points they give you?
The more you can sell, yeah. Like sound system and things like that. Okay.
Oh, this is 6 foot, so this is tiny, tiny.
Like 3, I believe.
And Tractor Supply says this can hold 10 chickens.
Oh, really?
That's too small, man.
that's 10 small chicken.
Yeah. I got 7 and it's cramped.
Yeah.
So what is that? Not even 4 foot.
3.5.
Yeah, this is tiny.
So we're gonna build a chicken coop over here. That's what you wanted, right?
Yep, chicken coop. We need to dig out some footers right now.
Yeah.
We're gonna be pouring some concrete in them with the mud mixer. 16 foot this way length.
Oh, okay, the long way.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so you want it to be
To 16 feet that way. I want to see what it looks like.
So you imagine you're gonna go another 8 this way, right? Probably not too close to that tree, enough to where you can.
I think eventually I want to remove that first tree.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Just the first one, I think, because it's like all over the place. But I'm gonna keep it for now. I don't cover it. Yeah. Well, I was covering it, but I guess I have the cover off right now. I should put it back on, huh?
Yeah. All the rain we've been getting.
Crush and run got soaked from the rain. It was all soaked either way. It was raining the whole time I was driving home.
You did clean up pretty good.
Metal? Look at that, that's metal. No, it's not for me, it's from the previous owners. I found so much metal buried under this ground.
Thunder from over here.
Yeah. So that's good right there, right?
Yeah, that should be good, right? Put it on here and we'll take a look at it. We can always change it if we need to. See if it's, I don't think it's square.
Hold up.
8's over here on this one. 24 and 9. So it's not square. So it's got to shift either this way. It's got to shift. So when you want to square a building, you see how by just eyeballing you really can't tell until you really measure it. So if we just come this way, it may be a little bit too much like on the inside or outside.
Mm-hmm.
So those 2 sticks right there, we may have to shift either left or right to see which way it is.
So we did all that for nothing, Elon.
No, it's good to visualize it.
Yeah. A little more than I like it on this side either way, because I like driving over here.
You're going to go from here to here, 8, 16 over there. But the biggest thing is...
So we're changing up the plan. We're actually going to make it 20 foot long, and we're going to go this way instead. Have you done many of these projects, Elon?
Every now and then I do like...
So you're getting some experience right now?
Yeah. Yeah, just cut it right there. I'm just setting this one for now.
I got these screws from a junk removal garage clean out.
Yeah, these are nice, man.
Yeah, they get the job done.
Not the best type of screws, but hey, they work. 22.
How is it 22?
Right. That's exactly the reason why we need to square it. So if I go, yeah, 22 actually, yeah, from here.
You said put them in the ground hard.
Okay, so we're at 22 here.
Yeah, so we're good. That's it, done.
We should be good, yeah. Then,
Professional.
Yep. So this is the high ground over here. So we're gonna get, we're gonna get 2x10 boards. So 2x10s, and you want it above ground, right? So
Yeah, above ground. So we want to come up a little bit so we can have the concrete up.
10 inches all the way up here. That's a lot.
That's too much.
I was
Maybe
thinking more like 6 only, or even 4, 5.
water's not gonna overflow into the coop and fill it up, because I want the water to go around when it comes, because they all, like, I have a river going down from this side and this side.
Okay.
So I don't want to bury the chickens pretty much.
Right. Let's start over here at 6, because
And put 4 underground.
yeah, we have to dig over there. You see what I'm saying? Because do we have a straight board at all?
This chicken lost its family and now it's confused where everybody's at. Go over there. They're all by the trailers.
So can you hit this for me right quick? Okay. See? Okay.
Wow, that's a big drop.
Yeah, so see over here we probably don't even need to, really don't need a dig because it's going down. Yep. We may have to go down
Deeper on this side.
deeper on this side, so that way if you set our form
It looks like we're about to have a storm come through, which kind of sucks. Gotta love this Georgia weather, especially when you're doing a project. But we're gonna start trenching right now. Dylan's got a 16-inch bucket right here, so this should be perfect for what we're gonna do. Hydraulic power, operator seat.
2x6.
Preston Jong FaceTime video.
Yes, Preston.
Where are you?
I'm working right now. Can I call you back later?
Let's see Andre.
He's over here. Say hi to Andre.
What's up, buddy?
Hi, Andre.
So what are you doing next? Are you doing the long side
Yeah, we're
again?
going to do the long side. So I'm going to do like we did earlier.
On which side do you want? This side?
Yeah, that side be fine. That would be my guide. There you go. Okay.
Good?
Good. Yep.
Take them out.
Take those out and let's start trenching. When you're done, just go ahead and roll these. Okay.
Yeah, it was good to move it more back, I think.
Yeah.
Keep it more in the woods, you know?
Yeah.
More shade too. This is what we're looking like so far. It's going by pretty smoothly. I'm gonna try to dig out the last trench because Elon wants me to get some experience on a tractor. I've never ran one before, so we'll see how it goes. We ended up getting rained out, so we came to Home Depot right now to buy the forms. Elon already knows exactly how much wood we need. He's a pro.
Yeah, I'm a professional at this. Don't worry about it.
Concrete calculator.
Yeah, concrete calculator. We got AI, ChatGPT, Gemini from Google. We got all that to give us exactly what we need.
Yep. We're not actually gonna pour the concrete today, but we calculated that we're gonna need about a pallet, maybe a couple extra bags, but if you buy a whole pallet, you get a little bit of a better deal. We're taking this bad boy. What's the bulk price? You only save like 11 cents if you buy it on bulk. That's not even fair.
When they have a big sale, it's actually $1.70 something.
Really?
Yeah.
That's when I need to buy
I
it.
had it last year. I saw it.
How much is the cones? $18, $30. This is a really good price. We should get treated, right? Or no?
If you want to keep the wood long, 2x10 by 16 is cheaper by $10.
By $10?
You'll find everything all right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
We need.
Are you here for labor?
Labor. Y'all interested in the pro desk? Being
Pro
a pro
desk?
member?
We're pro members.
Y'all are? Okay,
Yes, sir.
sweet, sweet.
Yeah, we buy a lot of stuff from Home Depot. You been working here for a while?
Yeah, a year now.
Really?
Yeah.
I come here all the time. I don't think I've seen you
Haven't
before.
seen me?
Yeah, I don't like this one. It's kind of curvy. We'll
No.
put it on this side over here. Yeah, this one's not.
This one's better? It looks like they just treated them. They're all like soaking with treatment.
Yeah. That's 16 feet now, so we need to do another 4 foot now.
So then we just need an 8 foot and we can cut them.
Yep.
Can you use these on different concrete jobs?
Yeah, this can be used on different concrete jobs as well. Because the cheapest thing to do is to just like pour it on the ground and try to level it out as much as good as possible. But that's
Do we need any more wood?
yes, we actually do.
Oh yeah,
These are
we,
just the sides.
yeah. We need the 8 foot boards now.
Yeah, we need more because like you think about it, right?
Then why do we have 4 of these?
4, that's because once we separate it, the concrete is gonna be poured in the middle.
On one side of the footer and on one side of the footer?
Yes.
Really? So we can't just leave the dirt on that side?
It's gonna overflow everywhere.
Yeah, you're right, man.
You see what I'm
Okay,
saying?
yeah, I see what you're saying.
Is this right here keeps it in place.
One board,
So yeah, this one board right here, we're gonna cut it in half.
make it 20 foot. So we need 4 of these then.
Yeah. So this is gonna end up being 4 already because we only need 4 foot of 4 foot section of this.
Yeah,
4
so
section of this.
so that's perfect. So then we need 4 more
So we need
8
4 more,
footers.
yeah, for the corners. What was you thinking in your head?
I was just thinking we just needed 1 board for one side, 1 board for one side. So I was thinking,
Yeah.
so I was like, why are we buying extra
if
wood?
you did the whole entire slab, that's what we would need.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, but it makes sense because you want to make
With
the
just that
concrete
small
stay.
section.
Yeah. Yeah, if you do a whole slab, then you don't need it.
Yeah.
Just on footers, huh?
As long as you can screw it.
This is going to be heavy to pull.
Oh no, it's not. I've done worse than that. I've done the whole entire deck. All the spare wood that we have, we can just cut it up and
Form it, yeah.
I'm out of here.
How much does that cost?
$50.
So 4 of those and then 6 the other ones.
I'm gonna get a trailer over here.
Okay.
Coop,
Yeah, C-O-O-P.
your name?
Andre? $200 for all that wood? Is that a good price or a bad price? $201, Elon. I asked the guy if that's a good price or a bad price. He said, we got the cheapest wood around. I don't know if that's true though. They got staples, so watch out to not cut yourself. Have you had Hum Brothers before?
Oh yeah.
You like it?
Oh, I love them.
They're really good.
Yeah, good.
Gatorade for hydration, rapid hydration actually.
Get it light. But sometimes if it doesn't have a good ground connection.
Yeah, I gotta check that.
Yeah,
We're gonna be grinding this stump right here because when I grinded it a while back, I didn't really care about going too deep. I just wanted it to go underground. And since we're digging over here, I'm just gonna run the grinder and get it out of the way.
Clean the trench up, guys. Should be pretty easy.
I think I'm gonna use the Sawzall and cut all the roots off.
Yeah, you can. Keep it out of the way.
You want me to tamp it? I'll do it.
That clay gets stuck. here is gonna be under the ground.
Mm-hmm.
You see, but we don't want this side over here to be on the ground.
Yeah, let's tell YouTube our biggest mistake.
But it's not a mistake.
My ground right here slopes down quite a bit, but since I want this to be a little bit above ground, we actually didn't even need to dig anything over here because we're gonna need to fill it back in. Or we're gonna add a bore and we're just gonna pour more concrete. It's crazy how bad it drops over here. I dug it pretty deep. We could have done this a way simpler way if we buried that over there, but I don't want a bunch of water entering the coop. I want it to be able to slope around, so that's why we're actually gonna raise this side as well. It has gotten pretty dark out here, but thankfully I have a rocket light, so we were still able to work. We finished framing, but we're still gonna have to add some pieces of probably plywood right there in the corners right here. A different day when we get some more sunlight, and we will knock out the rest of the framing. You guys won't have to wait long until the next part, but me and Yelan will.
Yeah. We're gonna make some footers for a chicken coop. I mean, it's a little bit extreme.